Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss about perimeter and area. This is the introduction. In class 6 we have already learned perimeters of plane figures and areas of squares and rectangles. Perimeter is the distance around a closed figure while area is the part of plane or region occupied by the closed figure. In this class we will learn about perimeters and areas of a few more plane figures, squares and rectangles. Here we have learned that perimeter of a regular polygon is equal to number of sides into length of one side. Therefore, perimeter of a regular polygon equal to number of sides into length of one side. Perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side, and perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, right? And area of a rectangle is length into breadth. You have to remember this one, that perimeter of a regular polygon equal to number of sides into length of one side, and perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side, and perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, and area of a rectangle is length into breadth, and area of a square is side into side, right? Now these are some given examples given, that is, this example is given, example 1, example 2, example 3 and example 4 to find perimeter and area, right? We learn only about the formulas. You have to write the formulas also, right? Therefore you have to remember this one only, that is perimeter of a rectangle regular polygon is equal to number of sides into length of one side. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side, and area of a square is side into side. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, and area of a rectangle is length into breadth, right? This is the area of a rectangle. Next one we learn about is triangle as parts of rectangles. Here, suppose this is a rectangle. If we draw the diagonal, we got two triangles having, and these triangles are congruent to each other, right? Therefore, area of each triangle equal to, we know that area of a triangle is half into base into height, right? Therefore, area here it is area of each triangle equal to half into area of this rectangle, that is half into length plus length into breadth, that is 1 by 2 into 8 by 5, 40 by 2, that is 20 centimeter square. The area of this area of each triangle, this is 20, this is 20, that is total 40 centimeter square, right? Therefore, area of each triangle, if we divide this square into 4 equal parts, right? Therefore, half into 1 by 4 into area of the square, that area of each triangle, right? Area of each triangle is 1 by 4 into area of the square. Area of the square means side square, this one, right? That means we know that we have to remember that that area of a triangle, area of a triangle, area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Area of a triangle is equal to half a base into height. Half into base, half into base into height. Half into base into height. This is the area of a triangle, right? And area of a square you already known, that is side into side, right? We know that. You have to remember this one, that area of a triangle is half into base into height, right? Generalizing for other congruent parts of rectangles, right? We learn the various other factors, that is generalizing for other congruent parts of rectangles, right? Here you see the area of each congruent part. Here you see there's all the parts are same. This is congruent to each other, right? can find the area of that also, that is half of area of the rectangle, right? That is half into 6 into 4, that is 12 centimeter square. We can generalize and find the area, right? Let us take another one, that is area of a parallelogram, right? And what is the area of a parallelogram? The area of a parallelogram is length. The area of parallelogram is base into height, right? The area of parallelogram is base into height. You have to remember this one, that area of a parallelogram, the area of a parallelogram is base into height, right? That is the area of the parallelogram. Next we'll learn other. Here you see, this is, here you see, so we know that area of a parallelogram is base into, if you remember this one, that area of a parallelogram is base into height, base into height. Next we'll see if area of a triangle. We already learned that area of a triangle is half base into height, or in short half BH, that is base into height, right? We conclude that all congruent triangles are equal in area, but the triangles equal in area need not be congruent, right? That is right, we know that. All the congruent triangles are equal in area, but the triangles equal in area need not be congruent. That is, you have to remember this one. Now, area of a parallelogram, we know that it is base into height, right? Next one, any other formula you have to remember? You have to remember only this formula and you can solve any problem in the exercises. Dear friends, we have only recalled the various formulas of the area and perimeter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.